Today is Saturday, January 7th. This is the 1976-1977 Cadillac Eldorado Hydro Booster and Master Cylinder Assembly. This is the hydraulic actuating assist booster that facilitates the pressurizing of the master cylinder that facilitates power through hydraulics to the disc brakes. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled, both the master cylinder and the hydro booster. And this is a complete level 10 show quality breakdown and full restoration. This is George in Florida. Have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful 76-77 Cadillac Hydro Boosters. Today is Saturday, January 7th. Thank you very kindly.